guys, welcome to Scotland, eh? I keep forgetting where we are. Lenzie Nature Reserve. So we're in Lenzie Nature Reserve, guys. Watch a video for beer, banter and burgers. I think I'm going to patch a fire. See that way when you're camping out in the winter, you're always best to have a fire, but I want to get the experience of, you know, just the only heat you're getting is for the layers you've got on and your sleep system and your your capacity to heat up your pants on your own.
Listen to yourself.
Right, I've never tried that. Is it quite good then?
Reeking a piss.
You're reeking?
You're reeking a piss.
Reeking a piss. Telly for the telly. Have you seen no on Wheel of Fortune?
No. He fell out with one of his neighbours.
Oh, you're reorganising your tent, aye?
I'm going to turn it around, mate, so...
Aye.
I was struggling one time up the camp season when I was trying to hold it in. It's like a kite, mate. It happened to me up the Lincoln as well. But it was back when I was first doing that high up, you know. It's like you need to watch what you're doing. No, just like a sail, man. It nearly took me away with it.
Aye. That was like...
It's when you get the big gusts, mate.
Aye, I know what you mean. See that, the castle I was at? I was actually behind the castle. What was that again? It was near the Local Hills.
Aye, the Wallace Monument.
Wallace Monument.
Aye.
It was so windy and my pegs came out. And
Aye.
so I head off to the shop. Would you want a bowl of wine? Bowl of wine. Get some milkshakes. And obviously Saturday nights, I'm only on a diet habit, so I'm not going full Peter Gabriel with the jelly baby.
Aye.
Did somebody order a bottle of wine?
Yes, I did. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing quite fine.
The burger was scrumptious, by the way. I took one of your...
Was it exquisite?
Hello!
Just like, you can appear in.
Cheers.
I think it's amazing how like the light tree works. I mean, it's got no electricity or that, and I think that's amazing. Just nature.
Aye.
I think it's just amazing how nature works like that. Just when it's dark outside, then a tree just lights up like that. It's brilliant. That's probably how folk get that idea to like get a light in your living room and that, eh? Just taking ideas from nature and the light tree and that, eh? nearly fell asleep, right? And then I got a hankering.
Aye.
I got a wee hankering for iron brew, and I fear woke up, and I looked here and I seen it, and I was like, oh, you dancer! Do you not love it when that happens? You just feel, you wake up and you get a hankering for something, you're like, must have dreamt about iron brew, and then you look here and you see it, you're like, oh, you dancer!
Mental.
That's when you're like, nah, nobody ever does that, Gary, except for you. Alright, it's fine. It's the simple things, mate. It's the simple pleasures in life.
You're right.
You're dreaming about iron brew, and you wake up like that.
You're mental. Mental!
Ah!
Because I can't. You're too. Because I've took my earpods out. Right, so I'll phone you back now, right?
That's actual Scots heed to size. That's literally the size he said. It could fit in the palm of my hand, see that? But here's something most people don't know. I've got jelly babies. What, man? Whoa, tied the thread. The currents will shift. Glad mate, who was you? Know something's left. Darth Vader.
Go, Gary! Go, Gary!
You need to keep them in suspense. You kid on, you're embarrassed. You just kid on, you're embarrassed and too shy. Wow! Sledge. I got to put them in my sleeping bag. That's what I do. See, when it's especially this cold weather. I stick it on my phone, even my tripod. I stick in my sleeping bag at the bottom. I get my charger in there. I've got wires stuffed in, like chargers and cables and stuff.
I have seen them.
I heard
they came in.
I heard about the 80s a way back. Peter Gabriel had a jelly baby habit.
A jelly baby habit.
It was some pretty serious stuff.
Jelly baby habit. You told him.
Who is it that talks like that? I cooked the habit. I cooked the jelly baby habit. It's only a diet habit I've got. Just on Wednesdays and Saturday nights. What's the lyrics? Willing to sacrifice a glove? Is that like...
You can't sacrifice.
Sacrifice a glove?
You can't sacrifice. You're cold as ice.
Cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice a glove. But like
right.
glove,
what
glove is like, that's like code for a gentleman's sock.
A gentleman's sock.
I can read into these lyrics.
She's laughing.
You just felt there.
Did I
What?
Come here, baby.
Come here, baby.
Hey, you drive me up the wall. The way me go with all those nasty tricks you pull in my ass. Yeah, you drive me.
See them on a bit.
Hey, mate. Ketchup. Oh, got my layers on. Oh, it's cold. And I'm heading to bed. It is cold. There's already a sheet of ice covering the fly sheet. So, if it gets a bit too cold, I'll just pack up and go home. We'll see how it goes. So, I'll head to bed. Morning. I actually had quite a good sleep. Aye, last night was cold. But I was cosy. I was in my cosy, my bear got a sleeping bag, and I've got a nice outbound sleeping bag. That's what it's called. And that's cosy. So doubling up on the heat. Oh. Aye. So, oh, the sun's out, and there's no any ice. A wee bit of condensation, but that's all. Oh, right. Time to get up. Have myself some breakfast. See about making breakfast, eh? Get in here. Right. Sorted. Up. Big sausages are the best one. One sausage. Two sausage. Oh, sausage. Silly, silly sausage. You're going in my belly. The best part. here in Scotland. What they call this is what they call this cheese and sausage on a roll. It's a council burger. I call it perfection. Let's get my roll ready here. There's no kick that there. Oh, can you taste that? I can taste it already. Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Pencil burgers. No, I've not got it done yet. I'll tell you the story about why I've got a pillar. I'm full of wine. Is that? He bounces in and he's like, oh, is it alright just to sit here on the boat with your mat? Then he plonks down, it's just like, and then that's what happens. So it's a single mat, no a double mat. Aye, mate, it's fucking.
Aye, but it'll do it.
Aye, it'll do because it'll be all hot oil anyway.
Aye. That was the last one I had, mate. I need to restock. I think I've got a pack with it. Different ones in it.
Yeah,
go.
let's go.